Yo, what is good, everybody? My name is Jack Deal, and right here, bro, my locker code skills are trash. I pull a Rudy Gobert that goes for like 10k. This is what I end up selling him at, 10k. But I could have gotten a Gordon Hayward, which I later ended up buying for I think like 14k. As you can see right here, I pull absolute trash. These packs should be called not standard league packs, not standard heat check packs. They should be called standard trash packs. Okay, right here I think I pull a pink diamond. Okay, we get a pink diamond. Let's see what it is. Okay, Knicks, small forward. This is Carmelo, and I hate that. Oh my god, dude, who is playing with pink diamonds that like Carmelo in July? Alright, next we pull a ruby. Wow. Imagine pulling a ruby in July. That's me right now. Alright, next we got, let's see. Okay, we get a pink diamond. Give me like a Bill Walton, please. Cavaliers. Is this Darius Miles? I might get Darius Miles, and we get Larry Nance, who goes for 6k MT. Well, this pack opening was a fail, but there's more. Let's see if we can do better. I only have 23 tokens, and I opened 2 legacy showcase packs. And first pack, bro, these packs are the worst odd wise. I pull a bronze the first pack. Alright, next pack. What do we get? 2 gold shoes and a silver. And we pulled COVID-19, Larry Nance, and Ball Hog. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and peace.